I'm Richmond, and today's tutorial is on polygons. When you hear polygons, we talk about plane figures bounded by straight lines. That's basically the definition for polygon. So if I draw something like this, it's a polygon because it's a plane figure, and then it's bounded by straight lines. If I draw something like this, it's a polygon. If I draw something like this, it's a polygon because it's bounded by straight lines. It's a plane figure bounded by straight lines. So basically, this is the definition for polygons. And one thing that you also should know about polygons that we want to talk about it today is a regular polygon. So regular polygon. So when I talk about regular polygon, means there's some polygon called irregular polygon. So regular polygons are actually the type of polygons in which the interior angles are the same. They have the same interior angles and the sides are also the same. Let's take example 1. This is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle. And then these are, let's say this is angle alpha, angle beta, and then angle gamma here. So for this to be classified as irregular polygon, it means that my angle alpha should be equal to my angle gamma and should be also the same as my angle beta. This qualifies to be a regular polygon. And the sizes, let's say this is A, B, and C. It means that the magnitude of AB should be equal to the magnitude of BC, and should be also equal to the magnitude of AC. So this means that this type of a plane figure is a regular polygon. Another type of regular polygon is the square. The square. But this one doesn't look like a square. So let's draw a right square, a square. Okay. Let's say this is A, B, C, and D. For this one to be classified as a regular polygon, we say that the interior angle should be the same and then the sides should be the same. So this is an angle here, this is an angle here, this is an angle here, this is an angle here. Then the magnitude of AB should be equal to the magnitude of BC, and should be equal to the magnitude of CD, and should be equal to the magnitude of AD. And then the angles inside the interior angles, let's say this angle is angle P, this is Q, this is Z, and this is T. So it means that for this to be a regular polygon, it means that Q should be equal to P, be equal to Z, should be equal to T. The angle should be the same to qualify as a regular polygon. With the regular polygon, let's talk about line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. It's very important that we know the line of symmetry. Symmetry. The line of symmetry simply means that a line which can divide a regular polygon into equal halves. Okay, so let's take an equilateral triangle ABC. ABC with equal angles, or with the angles be the same. Then the name comes from equilateral, meaning equal angles. So the line of symmetry actually talk about the line that can divide this plane figure into two equal halves. And one thing that we should know that a regular polygon with n sides have n number of line of symmetry. So it means that if the plane figure is having 3 sides, it means that the line of symmetry is also 3. So this is a regular polygon with 3 sides. So let's consider its line of symmetry. I can divide this plane figure into 2 equal halves through this part. If I divide this place, I can get 2 equal halves. So this will be one line of symmetry. I can also divide it through this place, and I'll get 2 equal halves. So it becomes line symmetry 2. I can also divide it through this place, and so have 2 equal halves, and it becomes line symmetry 3. So a plane figure with 3 sides has 3 lines of symmetry. Let's try another one and see. Let's consider the square. Square is a regular polygon. It's having 4 sides. Therefore, automatically it should have 4 lines of symmetry. I can divide a square into 2 equal halves through this place. Line symmetry 1. I can divide it to 2 equal halves through this line. Line symmetry 2. I can also divide it 2 equal halves through this portion. Okay, that will give me line symmetry 3. I can also divide it 2 equal halves through this portion. The line symmetry 4. Therefore, a plane figure with 4 sides will have 4 lines of symmetry.